Hello viewers, this is Mr. Brown again, and this is, I don't know which episode, I guess the 6th episode on the BMW E23. Welcome back to the series. Thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing. I'm not getting too much likes on the video. I guess you guys are not liking, so please make sure you like and subscribe down there. It helps a lot on the growth of the channel. And today we're gonna be working with the engine here. Today is the day that we start stripping the engine. I was thinking about getting an engine hoist and an engine stand to work on the engine while it's outside the car. I guess that is not gonna be possible now because I don't have an engine stand or engine hoist. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually strip the engine from the car, and then after that preparing the other car to receive the engine. Both of these cars don't have a gearbox now, but the red car has a gearbox. I'll have just to get the gearbox back. And oh, I have a surprise for you. Oh, let me show you. So this is our merchandise, and it's gonna be available very, very soon. So now let's look at the work that we have to do now. So this is what's gonna happen today. This engine, I'm gonna start stripping all this, take out everything that we see here. It's gonna be I hope for today, not like 2,000 or 3,000 episodes, and from there it's gonna go to this side, which is the receiver. I'm gonna prepare this engine bay as we spoke before, or as I told you before. I'm gonna prepare this engine bay. I'm gonna clean it, paint it, and put the new engine, because this car must go for painting while he has the engine while it's driving. I don't want it to go here. So let's start. So right now we're gonna start with all these plugs and pipes and things that do what here. I'm gonna wear my gardener gloves. I miss this. Well, they say that these are tagged, but I don't see any tag here. I just see the length that is different for each one. So I guess this is what helps identifying which one is which one. So let's go. Spark plugs cable disconnected. Next is gonna be this one. Oh, I had disconnected this before, as you can see. pretty hot here. Not the easiest thing in the world, but we have to manage. Yeah. The problem with this guy is the screws. They have the thing of being hidden behind this fuel rail. So my thing is, I'm gonna start with the fuel rail and then I will do the intake manifold. Okay, 1, 2, okay, let's go. This needs to dance a bit to come out because it has some problem. Like you can break your injectors. Not that I don't know if I'm gonna need these injectors anymore or if I'm just gonna refurbish them. It's something that I'm still gonna see, but either way it doesn't mean that I can break everything that's on my way. Like this pipe that doesn't want to come out for some weird reason. Maybe I haven't done so much here. It's just a sturdy pipe refusing to come out. There you go. Okay, as we keep going, realize that things are not that bad. So now it's time for the intake screws, and as you can see, there's one here. There's another there. So there is one on top of each intake and under at the same spot. So here is the 12mm socket for that. Let's start. Okay, can only use the ratchet there. And what about here? This is a bad design. A very bad design. Oh, I hate to undo the intake manifold of this thing. I'm happy that they changed this, because oh man, this was a very bad design. I mean, look at this. Oh. Okay, we'll get that. We'll get back there. But until now is intake manifold 1, Mr. Brown 0. Oh, just look at me. I'm sweating. I even got sweat in my eyes. I hate the design of that thing. I hate. I really do. Nice. Very nice. Now I know that that thing will never work. Talking or not, I need to get back to this manifold. I know it's an old car, but it doesn't make sense if all the plugs keep breaking. I mean, how will I plug this if all of them are broken? It doesn't make sense. It's not cool. Not cool at all. All I'm doing right now is to get some space so I can lie to myself. Because this was really a lie. I mean, I guess this pipe was better off tight than now that it's not tight. Like 5 times better. Right now it's way loose and it's broken. Okay, it is broken. You see? You see? It's broken. So it seems like all these pipes here, they have a thing of shredding themselves, breaking. So this is what means work on an old car. Everything that you try to take out breaks for no reason whatsoever. It just snaps out. It decides, I don't want to work anymore. Well, there is a reason why it's old. Okay, let's try with the ratchets. Maybe I'll get more luck rather than... See, when I tell you this is a bent design, it wants a tool and it's doing nothing. Let's see this one. Oh yeah. What a Sunday. The hell is this? Oh, this is this pipe. Okay, that's not my concern. Ecco. Am I doing the right thing here? No! Is there any other way I can touch that thing? The only way is if I bite that thing. I hate that, but it's not. I know it's messed up, but no. So remember when you are moving the engine harness, there is this one here. It comes with it. So remember to remove that too. Kids, don't do this at home. It's stressing. Okay. Now, time for the other guys. We will go get back here. Let's tackle this guy. Believe me, we will. Not now, but we will. Bear with me. It's loose. Yo guys, what's happening here is gross. I mean, look at this. This is gross. Oh God. I mean, like what in the world is going on here? I don't think I can use this anymore. I took out the housing and look at it. I mean, gross. Look at this. That's I can relate that to water, but I cannot relate that with good water. Should we start with the engine cover so we can see how gross it is? Yes, I guess. These things have the habit of showing some resistance, but we don't give up. We keep going, and going, and going until it opens or breaks. One of the two. I have friends, but double D foot. I don't know who created this thing, but this is amazing. It seems like it's good. Well, I see this rubber here. It's not that bad. Just has some dust. But we'll check this part later. So the engine cover doesn't look that bad, although we had a smell of old oil, but that's nothing. So let's keep digging and see what we can find. So I started checking the gaps between the valves to understand if the engine needs to come off or not. But I already decided that this engine has to come off, at least the head, so I can see how the cylinders and the pistons are. And in order to make it as new, it's an engine that I wanted to last. So I know these engines are built strong. A few problems when it comes to water and some oil leaks, but if well addressed, you're good to go. So the tensioner, the timing chain was actually well stretched. It's a good engine. It didn't show oil leaks or stuff, but it hasn't been running for a long time, so it must be part of it. So I started my YouTube channel watching other YouTubers working on cars, and I remember there's this YouTuber who said, if you use a small wrench and the bolt turns, then it means that it was not well tightened up. So it seems like it's not this case. So I decided to bring my big boy. And remember, when you tighten these things up, it must be clockwise. And when you unbolt them, it must be anti-clockwise. Or was that? Yeah, it was that. I learned the worst way, because my last time I ended up smashing one of the bolts. So to open, I decided to use almost the sequence, which is you start from the middle and move to the outer bolts. So you move as you go. It's the best, so you can guarantee that everything goes well, or you don't bend the head when disassembling. We can do anything. We can do anything. Say you wanna burn again. Remember a fire. Oh, you wanna speak in tongues again. Remember the fire. Na, 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 na. The sky is cracking up. Ooh, we can do anything. And we can never stop. We can do anything. It will never stop. We can do anything. We can never stop. We can do anything. Okay, guys. So this is how far we go today. This smells a lot of petrol. It's not that bad. I've seen worse than this, but it's always worthwhile to open the engine before you reuse it. This is an old engine, and of course needs attention. So let me focus on it. So this is an old engine and it needs attention. Cleaning, make sure that it's in the best state condition possible to work. on the car or another car. This time we know that this engine is going to the other car. So I'll see you next time on the next episode when we dig more. We go further more on this engine. We're gonna take all this out. Not the intake. No. This thing gave me. Yeah, I'm gonna take it out when the head is off. So I'll see you in the next episode. Please like and subscribe. My name is Mr. Brown, and this is my journey with the E23s. Peace.